Working with text in Java, we can have, of course, work with different types of um, different data types. Well, we have text and like strings. First of all, what are strings? Well, a Java strings are like sequences of characters. Strings are objects in Java, so you don't need to import any additional libraries to work with them. They're already in Java lang package, like the pit and pit crew waiting to support you. Strings are incredibly versatile and providing a wide range of building functionality for manipulating text. You can concatenate strings, extract substrings, replace characters, convert keys, and much more. And strings are also immutable in Java, which means that once a string is created, its value cannot be changed. We can, of course, modify it, but we cannot change it. To concatenate the strings, we created two variables called first name and last name, and to concatenate we just use add like plus. And that's easy for text to use, and to we can get the length of our string or text as well using our length method. Yeah, and we also have substrings. We can extract a portion of a string known as a substring using the stop substring method. In this example, we extracted the substring from index 0 to index 5, which corresponds to the characters MA, no, ACO, just like the name of the famous Formula One circuit. And we can replace any case, convert cases. We can replace the occurrences of a character or substring in a string using the replace method. In this example, we replace the substring awesome with amazing and the message substring. We can convert the case of a substring using two uppercase or lowercase, using two uppercase or two lowercase methods respectively. And we can handle special characters, escape sequences used to represent characters that are difficult to input directly, such as double quotes, backslashes, and new lines. For example, you can use escape sequences to include double quotes and a string literal. We can also use escape sequences to represent Unicode character and string. And Unicode is a standard character encoding that supports a wide range of characters from different scripts and languages. To include a Unicode character and a string, we can use the /u followed by a 4-digit hexadecimal code representing the Unicode character. In these two examples, we can, even though we used like to use double quotes, we just use such double quotes and / double quotes twice. And we use two Unicode escape sequence to include the error symbol and a string. And we have string buffer class in Java. String buffer is a class in Java that represents a mutable sequence of characters. It provides an alternative to the immutable string class, allowing you to modify the contents of a string without creating a new object every time. Here are some important features and methods of the string buffer class. String buffer class objects are mutable, meaning that you can change the contents of the buffer without creating a new object. The initial capacity of a string buffer can be specified when it's created, or it can be set later with the insert capacity method. The append method is used to add characters, strings, or other objects to the end of the buffer, and the insert method is used to insert characters, strings, or other objects. And then the delete method is used to remove characters from the buffer. And then the reverse method is used to reverse the order of the characters in the buffer. Here's an example of using string buffer to concatenate strings. We firstly use object, and we called it SB. As first append, can we can concatenate strings using append method hello world.